Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and we're not going to dive into Atom right away, but we'll get to that at one point. And we can see that Bitcoin's back to 46,849 or 832 now that we just moved down a little bit lower. We can see that we've been actually trying to hold 46,200 a couple of times. We actually have gone as far as 45,700, and from there we've actually been holding that level quite nicely. So when we dip to these levels, you could potentially enter a long, but that's all depending on market conditions, right? If we dump like crazy fast, then yeah, I wouldn't enter any longs at that point. But we could see that on a monthly time frame. Like I said, we have a 17 and a -5, so the trend looks like it's going to be downwards for the coming month of January. A bullish close, like if we move up towards the upside really quickly, then yes, this could change the whole scenario of January being a bearish month. But yeah, just keep your eyes peeled on the larger time frames, and we'll just have to see what's going to happen. And we can see that on the daily time frame, we have the money flow still in the red, but potentially we have the momentum waves curving up a little bit here. So we might have a little bit of a green dot here. That would be a potential long opportunity. Maybe we'll pump back up to 52,000, right? Like I said, we could be forming a W on a larger time frame, like the 12-hour or the daily time frame. We could see a nice little bit of a W forming right here. Not the prettiest, but a W nevertheless. So a nice little blast off here would be quite nice to see. In my opinion, there's also this scenario that could be playing out as well. As you can see here, we'll just load that up. Yeah, I copy pasted this ghost pattern. We will do it one more time. This bar patterns that you can copy with this tool right here. I just show you guys. It's called bar patterns. You guys can use it. You guys can just copy and paste patterns over and over again, like so. Just that, and you can drag it over here, and you could also readjust them based on how you want it to look, right? You could kind of copy your patterns that you are currently in. So right now it looks like we have held this blue line as support on the actual candles, but not the copied candles. But we can see that we could potentially be forming another accumulation phase, or the wick off phase, as a lot of people like to talk about, that we're going to trend sideways and downwards for the coming month, all the way into potentially end of January, early February. And then from there, you know, we might even go as low as 43,000. I don't think we're gonna go as low as 40,000. I think if anything, we might go back down to our spot entry on the hash ribbons to, let's see here, I believe it was 44,602 was our entry on our spot position. And right now we can see our spot position is actually up only 4.5 or 4%, 5% if you will. You can round up the numbers. The hash ribbon's still looking good, and from there on we're gonna have another bull market, or sorry, a bull rally towards the new all-time high and break that 69,000 or $68,600 top that you guys have been eyeing. But yeah, I think that's another potential scenario that could be happening. Another accumulation phase, right? Strong hands buying the dip, as we like to say. But we can see this could be stretching on. The EMA ribbons need to tighten up and squeeze up like so before we can make our move towards the upside. So right now, EMA ribbons looks like we got rejected at 52,000. Another revisit to that level and then a break from there would be very, very bullish, like something like this or something like this right here. Now, let's go to look at Atom. Atom doing very, very, very well, up over like 40%, I believe, from this bottom down here at $25. Let's measure that move. Yep, doing amazing so far, up over 42%. And we did initially get rejected on the smaller time frames. We could take a look here. We did get rejected perfectly at $33.18, and then we came back down to $30. That was a nice short opportunity that you guys could have played right there, 7% like I said. And now we've broken it and we've gone over and we've retested it as support a little bit here, and now we're moving back towards the upside. Now I believe this trend is going to continue for the time being. You guys can take a look on the daily time frame. Doesn't look like we've peaked yet on the RSI, because a little bit more room to run. And on the weekly time frame, you know, there's lots of slack there that you guys can. That there's a lot of long opportunities coming. And what I wanted to talk about. I'm a little bit tired here. Got a special video planned for you guys. Gonna be making that PC build that I've been talking about. I got all the parts here ready. It's just the recording stuff I've got to figure out. Never done that before, so patience is key. And I don't want to screw it up either. And what is one thing I believe? Oh yes, I wanted to talk about the Bitcoin dominance. We can see that the Bitcoin dominance has actually come back down to the 40% level. So I don't think it's going to move any lower than that. Maybe 39%, like 39.6% to be exact. We might come back down to and touch there. But for so far, it looks like we've got a bit of a bullish divergence here on the Bitcoin dominance, and a nice move towards the upside like so would, you know, be very nice for Bitcoin. But this doesn't mean that the Bitcoin price is going to go up. This could mean that Bitcoin also takes a dump and altcoins crash even harder than Bitcoin, and then the market cap for Bitcoin will definitely go up much faster than the altcoins, because, you know, Bitcoin is significantly more stable than all the other altcoins. When it crashes 5%, you know, all the other altcoins could tank like 10 to 15 to 20 to even 30%. So that's basically how it works. And let's just take a look at Ethereum before we end the video. You can see Ethereum holding 37 at 37.26 at the moment, holding this yellow line right here as support for the time being. I was mentioning this a little bit in a couple past videos, that if we don't hold these levels and we get rejected, then we would you could ease on the side of danger. We might even, you know, break down even lower. But right now, it seems that we've held these levels. We did below that line, but we've come back up every time. So yeah, Ethereum holding quite strong as well. Now Bitcoin back up to 46,956. That's nice to see. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Pretty tired. First video of the of the year. Smash that like button, like and subscribe. Let's see if we get to 10,000 subscribers this year. That would be awesome. And we're gonna get them giveaways going once again. Love you guys. Peace. If you haven't already, you guys can use bitget.com for leverage trading. Use my link at $158 in bonuses and 10% deposit bonus. Peace.